Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Hello, Bozo.
Shut up!
This is how I enter my house. What's up, fuckers?
Gotcha, bitch!
Minor.
FBI, open up!
Yoink!
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Nuh-uh. The fuck you mean, nuh-uh? Nuh-uh.
Oh, minor.
Get that motherfucker.
Let me in.
Hey, Ron.
Hey, Billy.
Yoink!
Did I jump scare you?
Hammer time.
Nope.
Boom. Bam.
No.
Okay, let's go outside now and maybe see if there's some pigs around that we can kill for.
Yoink!
Bop.
Bruh.
Oh, minor.
I tried to sneak through the door, man. Can't make it. Can't make it. The shit's stuck. Out of my way, son! Please! I beg you! Fred! You're a genuine dick sucker! Bye-bye!